Grabe no, sabi dito, happiness used to be a vibe, now it's a minefield. With every flex on social media carrying the weight of privilege, timing, and conscience. Happiness used to trend, now it needs a trigger warning. Ganito kasi yan, we have different capabilities of how to make ourselves happy. Yung iba, simpleng pagkain lang, okay na sila. Yung iba, kailangan ng mas mataas na budget, so on and so forth. Yung iba, simpleng ligo lang sa ulan, so on and so forth. Okay na sila. Now, with that, we have different ways of how to make ourselves happy. Now, the problem with social media nowadays, especially doon sa mga tambay ng social media, is that when they push their happiness or an idea on how to be happy doon sa ibang tao. 'Di ba? It's like pag nakakita sila ng maayos na buhay tapos nagrereklamo sila, ano ba yan, puro ka post ng pagkain, puro ka post ng lugar ng mga ganito ganyan. I mean, anong masama? 'Di ba? Siguro when other people can be happy, the best thing that we could do for ourselves is to also ask ourselves what can make us happy without being offended on how other people can be happy. Hindi naman siguro kailangan na kung ano yung ikinasisiya nung taong nag-post doon sa social media, dapat mo ring ikasiya. Maybe they have two different, or you have a different humor from them. You have a different basis on how to be happy, and that's fine. Both can live together. Ang mahirap kasi doon, like for example, yung kapitbahay mo, sabihin nila na oh, I'm proud, I'm monogamous. 'Di ba? I am proud, I am monogamous. I am living a very godly, saintly life. I am like this, like that, so on and so forth. And that's fine. I'm happy for you if that's what makes you happy, but other people have a different notion on how to be happy. And if the time comes that you discover that they have a different way of being happy, then sana naman matanggap mo yung pamamaraan nila ng pagiging masaya. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.